Namaste everyone, welcome to Nine Mentions. If you like me, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. If you're new to my channel, I am Shruti and I talk about products which are related to makeup, skincare and health. And my channel is not just confined to women, I also talk about products related to men. Yeah. Okay, so today I have with me a scrub and this is from the brand Lotus and this can be used by men and women both. So this is the Lotus White Glow Oatmeal and Yogurt Skin Whitening Scrub. That's a huge name. As this name already suggests, this has yogurt and oatmeal, and this claims to exfoliate and brighten your skin for a naturally healthy glow. So, and this says all skin types, which is really nice because I have sensitive skin and dry as well. This retails for 215 rupees and this is 100 grams in quantity. This claims a few things which I'll just read it out. Okay, this
says Lotus White Glow Oatmeal and Yogurt Skin Whitening Scrub exfoliates the skin gently, removing dirt, impurities, blackheads and whiters, leaving the skin brighter and healthier with a shining glow. Okay. The gentle exfoliating action works on skin discoloration, dull and uneven skin tone and softens the skin, giving you a firmer skin texture. Okay, so
how you have to use it, you have to just moisturize your face, you have to just wet your face and apply this in a circular motion on your face. Just the way you apply a scrub, nothing different. So the active ingredients are oatmeal and milk yogurt. Okay, and in the ingredients list also I can see yogurt powder and I can also see oatmeal powder, and there are some chemicals and fragrance. Okay, so this is made in India. That's a relief. The fragrance is really nice. This smells more like a cream rather than a scrub. Like the fragrance is nice and flowery, fruity kind of a fragrance. Can't describe in words. So I have moistened my face and neck and I'll be applying this and I'll see how this fares. I don't apply scrubs much. You can also make a homemade scrub by using oatmeal powder, or you can use sugar or anything. Like you can make it at home also, I feel. See, this is quite granulated. Okay, so let's apply this. I took so little, but you see the spreading action? This really spreads very nicely. I hope I don't get any kind of allergy because I haven't used this. Is the first time I'm using this. My mother uses this and she likes it, but I'm using it for the first time. A little definitely goes a long way, that I can see. I am not good in making DIYs because I really don't know how to put things together, and I will never ever suggest you something which I don't use on myself. I won't do that because that will be cheating. I will never do that. So I am not good in DIYs. That's why I don't show you much DIYs. That's the only reason. Otherwise I think making a scrub is quite easy. I think lemon, sugar. People also use besan as a scrub. Okay, so I am scrubbing and this really feels really nice. I mean, if you can see the scrubbing particles are really nice. You should also apply it on your neck, but currently I'm not doing it because my clothes will be wet and I really don't like wet clothes. So it's been like almost, I think 1 minute or so I'm scrubbing. So I think it's more than enough. I think I should wash it off. Okay, so I have washed it completely and I don't know why I feel that this has not properly gone from my face. Like my face is feeling a little oily. Yeah, oily. I'm not liking it though. My face is looking so red. I hope this subsides. Okay, Anyways, I think as a scrub this is quite good. I had a few blackheads which I think has been removed, and this is quite good. But the only thing I'm feeling is that after removing this doesn't feel that it is completely gone. I mean, I feel that there is still a thin layer of, you know, product on my skin. Maybe I have to wash it again with the soap. I think then that will be better. But otherwise, just washing with water is not making me is not making me feel clean and fresh. But otherwise, I think fragrance wise, texture wise, I think this is good, and this does what this says it will do, because this, you know, I'm feeling my face looking a little bright and red at the same time. So brighter and redder. This should also mention to, you know, exfoliate, brightens and gives a reddish glow. I should also mention that. Anyways, I think this is a good product. Mostly scrubs, they kind of make my face red, so it's not a big deal for me, but the product is really good and my skin is feeling soft, and now I think that oily texture has also gone, I think. Yeah, so skin is feeling incredibly soft, I must say. It's feeling soft and silky. Yeah, so I think you can give this a try, and this will be available on Amazon, and I don't think they'll deliver it right now, not because this doesn't come under necessity, so I don't think this will be delivered, but I think this is available on Amazon. But you can definitely give this a try. It's a nice product, like nice fragrance and everything. So that was it. I'll see you guys next time with some other product. Until then, you guys please take care and be safe, and I love you all.